Hello, this is Ari Barry with ReLISTO, property management and leasing for San Francisco. Today, I have the great pleasure of walking up this a private street in San Francisco, one of the few private streets in this city, to share with you a wonderful property that's fully furnished. That's going to be available summer of 2021. Does come with a private parking spot right here on the street. And again, this gorgeous, both properties are just magnificent, and they're available. And you can see this is on a cul-de-sac with stairs, very Euro appearing stairs at the very end of this. So just a gorgeous little enclave in the city. So let's go visit. There's two buildings as part of this residence. The first one has 3 bedrooms, so let's give it a tour. Nice wood siding, very unassuming entrance. But let's go up the stairs because this is gorgeous up here. Look, and you can see, look at the light that shines in here. Wonderful dining room area, sun-filled. Just gorgeous marble flooring, decorative fireplace. Again, staying with the European flair. And we have this kitchen right here, deep sink, gas range, sub-zero refrigerator and dishwasher, lots of cabinet space, built-in microwave. Big open beam ceiling here in the living room. There is a TV behind that big screen TV. You can see here's the bathroom. For music lovers, there's a piano for your enjoyment. And I'm not sure if you can appreciate it with the video, but I am looking at the Golden Gate Bridge there. So the next part of this video, I'm gonna go downstairs and show the bedroom area. All right, we're walking into the bedroom areas. Now, again, this is the same the level as we walked in on. You can see there's bunk beds in one bedroom. And then this would be technically the master bedroom. Subtle walls, TV screen right there for your pleasure. Turning around, there's a spiral staircase that will go down next. And here's the bathroom. Nice deep soak tub. Look at that, just wonderful. All right, we turn around and here we have the vanity. A big mirror and then additional closet space. All right, let's go downstairs. And these spiral staircases are, there's multiple spiral staircases in this property. I'll go down with a video for each one because I find them so much fun. So now here we have another bedroom. Now this can also work as a studio because it has a separate entrance and a little kitchenette area. You can see there's a refrigerator, dishwasher, sink, and microwave. So depending on your needs, this can definitely be used as a kind of a unique living space for somebody. As I mentioned, this is available only for the summer of 2021 for 6 weeks. And you get no soak tub. Just gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to be walking up. I'm going to turn off the video and we'll meet you at the dining room. Okay, I'm back in the dining room. And of course the kitchen was right there. Let's look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Let's look, a beautiful brick line patio. And we're going to be going up another set of spiral staircase. So one of the nice things about this property is the fact that you have so much rooftop space with absolutely amazing views. So here you are, sitting area, got patio furniture available to you. And you can see just a gorgeous view of the bay and the bridge. And you can see a tanker in the distance. See the Presidio also in the distance.